Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create a line chart easily and quickly. Excel offers us several types of graphs. In the last video, we showed you how to create a pie chart. Let's do this. The first step we need to do is to choose the data we want to display in the graph. We will use this table as an example. We will mark it. We go to the Insert tab, which we find on the top bar. We go to the Graphs section and select Line Graphs. Excel offers us several options to choose from. We will choose the first option. Now let's see how we can modify our chart. First, we can move our chart. With the left button, we click on an empty part and we can move the graph to where it suits us best. We can also adjust the size of the graph. We click on the small circle in any corner of the graph and drag in any direction until we have the desired graph size. Next, we can edit the name of the chart. And it's very easy, just click on the title and write your title. Now we want to change the design of our chart. Click again on an empty space in the chart area. We go to the Design tab, which is located on the top bar. We click on the option Change Color, and we can choose from the offered colors. In a similar way, we can change the entire design of the graph. We go to the Design tab and click on the Graph Styles item. Click the drop-down arrow. We can choose the graph that suits us. Excel is also very dynamic, which means if we change any data from the source table, it will also be reflected in the graph. Let's try changing the cup data to socks. The data has also changed in the table. Great, everything works for us. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If so, please let us know by commenting or liking it. Would you like to see more videos on how to quickly and really easily learn how to work with Excel? In that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.